Okay, let me just clarify on the dates, okay? So, okay, for example, I just want to make sure I clarify it. Okay, so the date says July the 6th of 2025 on this applesauce, right? Okay. And then this is February 16th of 2025. I'm going to put that in front. And then this says, okay, this is July the 6th of 2025. Okay, so I have two. So I'm going to put the July the 6th, 2025 back there. I'm going to put the July the 6th, 2025. That's the same time. And I'm going to put the earlier date, February 16th, 2025. Okay? So because February comes before July, that's called the FIFO method. A lot of people don't talk about that, but I think it's really important. We can limit food waste by doing that. Okay, so this one is, let's say, August the 13th, 2024. And this one says August the 13th, 20. So that's the same time. So I'm going to put those back. So do you get what I'm saying? So if the dates are the same, you put them both behind. And if the dates are one is earlier than the other, and that's with everything. That's with your spices, you just keep an eye. Like when I'm using like my spices, like I have my bulk spices, right? What I usually do, since I'm going to use a lot of this, I'm going to take the old spice jar. See? And I think this is it. I don't know which one is it. I'll probably discard this, but what I usually do, I'll discard this. I don't know how old this is, but it works. I'll discard this, or what I'll do, if I just got it not too long ago, I'll put the fresh spice on the bottom, and then I'll put whatever's left here on top. So, but that's what I do. And you do the same with everything else. In your freezer, you do the same thing in your freezer. And that way you organize your cabinets, and you can eliminate waste, food waste. All right, that's my thing for the day.